Life is what we make it, always has been and always will be. Every person is given the same 24 hours in a day, yet the outcomes we experience are often determined by the choices we make, the habits we develop, and the actions we take consistently over time. Too many people spend their lives waiting for circumstances to improve, waiting for the perfect opportunity, waiting for someone else to create a better future for them. But the truth is that life rarely changes on its own. Change happens when we decide to take responsibility for our future and begin creating the results we want to see. Your current situation does not have to define your destination. Where you started is not nearly as important as where you're willing to go. The people who achieve extraordinary things aren't necessarily the smartest, the luckiest, or the most talented. They're often the ones who refuse to quit. They're the ones who continue moving forward when others stop. They understand that every decision, every conversation, every lesson learned, and every challenge overcome is helping shape the life they ultimately create. Life is not something that simply happens to us. Life is something we build. And if you've ever dreamed of having more freedom, more control over your time, more financial security, and the ability to create lasting wealth for your family, then perhaps it's time to start building a different future than the one you've been settling for. Because the future you've been waiting for may actually be waiting for you to take the first step. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income, and help customers save money every month without ever writing you a check, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Now visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.